Ramogi juang piny Kenya osingone piny Democratic Republic of Congo chiwruok mare matemo kelo kwe e pinyno. Kanoloso bang' ruak mare pinyno kod jatend piny Congo Felix Tshisekedi, jatend Kenya William Ruto siro dwaro mar keto kwe e pinyno kaka yo mar tego chenro kod tudruoge mag weche mathoth e kind Kenya kod Congo. Twak makamano bede boma ma Kinshasa ka gisingo chugo committee makanyakla mabiro yango kendo rango tudruok dute kind pinjegi ka girango weche arita kwe kod ohala.
I have come to confirm to my brother and to the people of DRC that Kenya will play its role. We are rolling out the deployment of our troops in the areas that have been agreed between the government of DRC and the East Africa region. That process is ongoing. Kenya is committed, and we will make sure that we discharge our responsibility and mandate in accordance with the agreement under the East Africa Regional Force. We look forward, under the same framework, to the Nairobi Peace Initiatives dialogue by the various groups that have satisfied the conditions for that engagement, and we will encourage all the groups to abide by the agreement that was signed under the East African Community so that the process of engagement and dialogue can begin